ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अस्माकम् अद्यतनविषयः अस्ति अभ्यास षड्विंशति 26 पेज् 52 द्विपञ्चाशत्। परन्तु प्रथमः वयं पश्यामः सन्धि अभ्यास पञ्चविंशति सन्धि स्तोः श्चुनाश्चुः। So first we see page number 50, the sandhi stoho shunashruhu, and then we will start we'll see the sandhi of abhyasa 26, which is jhalam jashi. So we see both sandhis, punaha shabdani, punaha pratyaya. So first sandhi, I will share screen. Sto shunashruhu. Stoho shunashruhu is very simple. In stoho shunashruhu, if there are two words, the first word ends in is and the second word begins in cha or chavarga, cha cha ja jha, both. This is will become ish. Ramas chinoti, ramas chinoti, ramas shete, ramas shete. Again, better examples here. Bhavan, this is the next one, right? So first one, they say is will become ish. That is the first one. Then there is one more. In stoho shunashruhu, if there is any ta varga, ta tha da dha na in the first word, and the second word is any cha varga, cha cha ja jha na, the ta varga will automatically become the cha varga letter. So they have given example here. Bhavan shete will become Bhavan shete. Cha has come in the middle. So host shunashruhu. Or better examples. In, that cha has come after in. And in has turned into nya. Because nya is the cha varga equivalent. So this becomes nya, ich and shete. So Bhavan shete. There are better examples here. Mlecha, mlechaniya, mlechaniya. This was cha. Cha has added, they have added the small cha, hrasva cha, and it has become mlechaniya. Mlech, aniya has got the small cha also, ich. Or yach, na ta. Yach na a has become yachnya. Yaj plus nya will become yajna. So in this way, if there is ta varga in the beginning and cha varga following it, the ta varga will first become the cha varga equivalent and then the cha varga will be added. They are given examples. We will see the examples also before we see the next sandhi. Okay. Anyone kopi prashna asti va? Nasti chet vayam aduna pashyamaha examples. Yeah, this number stoho shunashruhu 8440 8.4.40 stoho shunashruhu. Hariji vayatu bhavan krishnaha cha kim bhavati krishnaha cha Hariji bhavan vayatu
Krishnascha.
Krishnascha. Krishnas, Visarga first is becomes ish. Krishnascha, Bahusamyak. सन्ध्याजी वदतु भवान् भवती गुरुः च किं भवति?
गुरुश्च
गुरुश्च. सुन्दरजी वदतु भवान् कश्चन किं भवति? कश्चन. ऑल दिस इज इजी. हरिजी वदतु भवान् सत् चरित्र.
सच्चित्र, राइट?
सच्चरित्र. सच्चरित्र. सत्.
Satcharitra, okay.
Sat and charitra will become sacharitra. Sat.
Satcharitra.
Sacharitra. That is like how if we said sat and chit will become sachit. Like that. Sacharitra. Sandhya ji sad janaha kim?
Sajjanaha.
Sajjanaha. The da has become ja because of mixing with the cha varga. Sundarji, tad jalam. Tad jalam. So Stohoshtunashtu is very simple. You see, there is nothing much. Whatever the second letter is, second word is, that same varga, this will also join. That's all. Tad jalam, tad jalam. Sat charitra, sat charitra. Sat chid, sat chid. Ramascha, ramascha, etc. It is a simple sandhi.
But that sa will become sha.
Sa becomes sha and tavarga becomes chavarga. Now for next sandhi. Next sandhi is today's sandhi. That is, this was yesterday. Friday's. Today's is jalam, jhash, jashi. Jalam, jash, jhashi. 8453. 8453. Jalam, jash, jhashi. Jalam, jash, jhashi is even simpler than Stohoshtunashtuhu. Jalam, jash, jhashi says, let us say there are two words. If the first word, see they have given in Hindi what they have given in the book, वर्ग के प्रथम द्वितीय तृतीय चतुर्थ को तीसरी हो जाता है, मतलब बाद में वर्ग के तीसरी या चतुर्थ होगा तो. This is very confusing. The examples are super simple. Buddha, Budh dhatu plus dhihi will become buddhihi because the is the third. The is the third. So the has got added to buddhi. Buddha dhatu. That Buddha dhatu does not have id. But when there is dhi following it, the will get added. Buddhihi.
But only when dhi is following it, is that specific to dhi?
No, in this, see, they have given बाद में 3 या 4. So if it is the also, like Sad Darshanam, Ramana Maharshi wrote Sad Darshanam. Sad Darshanam became Sad Darshanam. Sad Darshanam is only two das.
Yeah.
It is not Sad Darshanam. Sad Darshanam. So the had come there also. The
first the.
First the.
Rasvada.
Rasvada. There will be many other examples. Sad Darshana is not a best example, but there will be many. Uddeshya. Uddeshya. Ut plus Deshya. That has become Uddeshya. The third has come there. So always when 1, 2, 3 or 4 are there, that third will be taken. So Tavarga the is there, right? But Chavarga.
No. When we say 1, 2, 3 or 4, what is 1 and 2?
The.
Okay.
The.
Okay, that's it. Okay. Fine.
Okay. So then they have given one as Siddha plus Dihi, Siddhi. Dugh. See, now next example. In the book I am reading, by the way, 52. Dugh plus Dham. Dugdham. In copy prashna astiva. What is the question?
No, actually, it's related to buddhi plus the buddhi. Did you pronounce buddha or buddhi?
Buddhi. But but for sandhi it will not make a difference. For word it will make a difference. Dihi has got added to buddh dhatu. So that small the has got added to buddhihi.
It's in book, right?
Yes. Page 52. I can share book also actually, but I don't know. I'll try to share by the next session. I'll try to get the book also so I can share and we see where we are reading. It's easier. Buddhihi, Siddhihi. Same way. And it will also be, so the next example they again, Dugh plus Dham, which means Dugdham. Ga is the third, of course. Ka, ga. Ka, kha, ga.
Yeah.
Ga is the third, so the ga has been added. Because there is the, gha following it. So one more example. Labh plus dhaha. Labdhaha. Pa pa ba. Ba is the third of Pavarga. Pavarga's third letter is ba. So that ba has come here.
But why did we take Pavarga? Sorry.
Because bha is there, right? Labh dhatu.
Yeah. So
Bha is in Pavarga.
Ba. Yeah. Pa fa ba.
Huh.
But pa fa ba bha.
It doesn't matter. Any of the, if it is
Third
pa
or
also,
fourth.
it will be ba only. Pa, pha, ba, bha, whatever it is, it will be the bha. The third one always. Ka, kha, ga, ga, always ga only. It doesn't matter which one it is. Yudh plus the, yudha.
Okay.
So, main thing to remember here is the third letter, third akshara is important. Ga, athava, cha, cha, ja, small ja, athava, ta, ta, da, athava, pa, pa, ba, all these three, the third akshara of each varga is important. We'll see examples what they have given on ashtadhyayi.com. Jalam, dhalam, just jhashi. So, jalam, just jhashi. Dugh, dog plus dhum, dog dhum. You have to see first here. Dog dhatu plus dhum. So the ga has been added and it became dog dhum. Or bodh plus trich pratyaya they have given. Bodh plus tri, bodhr. The da has come in bodhr, small da. Lab plus dha, lab, small ba has come, which is the third akshara. Braj, aniyal pratyaya, brajaniya, the small ja has come. Always the third akshara is what matters. They have given one more example. Did plus dam, didvam, didvam. Because da is the third in that takara, da. Brad, ya, bradgya. Argyam, for example. That also, argyam, that is maybe different, but mainly what, see, English meaning may be helpful. Jhal letter is converted to corresponding jash. Jash means third. Third letter, when for all that we have to know, jash, jash, etc.
Yeah.
What we really have to understand in this sutra is the third akshara is the important akshara that will get added.
I think this intuitively we will add. The
Yes,
rule
yes.
it's more complicated.
Yes. After buddhi and all, you know, right? Buddhi, the third has come. So we can say how buddhi shabda came. What is the sutra? Jalam just jhashi. That is the sutra for buddhi, siddhi, etc. Okay, I will ask some examples. It will be very easy.
Ujjwala?
Huh?
Ujjwal? No.
Ujjwala. Correct.
Ujjwala.
Ud plus jwala, ujjwala.
Ujjwala.
So ja has added.
Yeah.
That ja letter comes. Correct. So like this there will be so many. So Hariji bhavan varatu rid plus dihi. Kim bhavati? Riddhi. The have come. This the. Riddhi will come. Sandhyaji varatu bhavan shudha. Shudha plus dihi. Kim?
Shuddhi.
Shuddhi. Bhavati varatu. Bhavati bhav samyak. Shuddhi. Vrid plus dihi. These examples are so obvious, but the sutra is also very obvious. Okay. Jhalam just jashi, always the third letter will be added to the mixed word. Okay. Some sutras, some sandhis are little difficult. Some sandhis are so obvious that we have to go and search. How did this actually happen? And in front of our eyes it is obvious. That is the case, even in Nyaya it is like that. Nyaya also sometimes is so obvious, but we go and do charcha. So it is the way it is. Okay. Now back to Abhyasa 52, page 26.
26.
Sorry, Abhyasa 26, page 52. Abhyasa षड्विंशतिः पृष्ठक्रमाङ्कः 250. अस्माकम् अद्यतनशब्दानि सन्ति पयस. पयस मतलब जल और दूध, वाटर और मिल्क. यशस, यश, फेम. शिरस, शिर, फोरहेड और हेड. सरस, तालाब, पॉन्ड, POND, पॉन्ड. मनस, मन, माइंड. तमस, अंधकार, डार्कनेस. कोकिलः, कोयल, कुकू. cuckoo bird. Now they have given all birds. So in the beginning they had given all payas, yashas, etc. All these shabdas have come. We will see all their rupas a bit later. They are all Napumsakalinga shabdas. Asanta, Napumsakalinga. Payas, yashas, shiras, saras, manas, tamas, everything is Napumsakalinga. Now Kokilaha Pullinga. Mayuraha, more Pullinga. More is peacock. Hamsaha, swan. Shukaha, parrot, tota. Kapotaha, pigeon, kabutar. Kakaha, kawa, crow. Bakaha, like bakasanaha, bakasana, bakala, bakaha. Bakaha is bagula. Bagula means what? Crane, heron. Ulukaha, ullu. Ullu is owl. Now kriya dhatu shabdani.
So how do you make out that Mayur is Pullinga?
Aha, na? It is ending in Mayuraha. They have given also, below they have given Mayuraha somewhere, they have given Mayuraha Ramavat. So because of that reason, it will all be Pullinga Shabdas.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, in the exercise, but if I see a word in a text, how do you know whether it's Pullinga or Strilinga?
You have to know.
You have to know. Okay.
Like in, for example, when a Hindi speaker will know that the fridge is male, but the washing machine is female. What is the logic to it? There is no logic. So you know when you speak the language, it will come to us. Yes. Kha dhatu shabdani. Shru dhatu sunna, to hear. Shak dhatu sakna, to do something, to be able to do. I can do this, etc. Aap dhatu pana, prapt karna, for example, to get, to reach, to attain, etc. Pana. Gha visheshna, adjectives, visheshna shabdani. Swakiyaha, apna, ours or yours or whatever, the selves. Parakiyaha, dusre ka, the second persons, somebody else's. Tvadiyaha, tera, madiyaha, mera. Like for example, in when we give Nevedya, we say Tvadiyam vastu Govinda, tubhyam eva samarpe. Your own thing I am giving to you. Tvadiyam. That is that here. Tvadiyam tera. Tera eva vastu. Your vastu only I give to you. Tubhyam eva samarpe. I do samarpana to you. Tvadiyaha. Tvadiyaha madiyaha. Tera mera.
Madiyaha, mera, it does not go by that Asmad Dhatu, is it?
No, but it will. This is a Visheshana. This is not part of Yushmad Asmad. It is a different word on its own. Because in Yushmad Asmad, Tera will be what? Shashti, right? Tava. Tava is there. Tava te is there.
Yeah.
Mama me is there. Yeah. So this Madiyaha Tvadiyaha is a Visheshana Shabda. It is not part of that Yushmat Asmat Vibhakti. पायस शब्द के पूरे रो स्मरण करो. पायस शब्द 30 पेज नंबर 72 द्विसप्ततिः 72. I hope everyone has found. If anybody has any questions, stop me. Yes. कोऽपि प्रश्नः अस्ति वा? अस्ति चेत् we will discuss. वयं वदामः. कथयामः. पायस शब्द पायः पयसि पयांसि पायः पयसि पयांसि पयसा पयोभ्यां पयोभिः चतुर्थी पयसे पयोभ्यां पयोभ्यः पंचमी पयसः पयोभ्यां पयोभ्यः षष्ठी पयसः पयसोः पयसां सप्तमी पयसि पयसोः पयस्सु संबोधन हे पयः हे पयसि हे पयांसि. सो अहम् एकः प्रश्नं पृच्छामि. हरिजी बालकाय किं भवति? बालकाय अथवा मे बी देयर इज अ बेटर एग्जांपल. बालकः डैश पिबति किं भवति?
बालकः should be second. बालकः पयः
पिबति. बहु सम्यक्. पयः पिबति. अथवा we can say something simple only, like If I want to say payas shabda is shuddha. Sandhyaji bhavati vadatu payah is shuddha. What word will I use? Water is shuddha, milk is shuddha. Which vibhakti it will be? Dash shuddha. प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचन पयः पयः हाँ सो सुंदर जी भवान् वदतु अहम डैश पतामि that is or saha dash patati in paya falls into the water into the milk
into the water. Sorry, you ask somebody else. Sorry,
no, you only say now you tell dash saha dash patati.
Saha dash patati.
So it will be
again saha us megira. Megira. So megira is payasi.
हाँ सम्यक payasi सप्तमी विभक्ति एकवचन. So it is simple. Okay, then we will see श्रु धातु के लट लोट और लंग के रूप स्मरण करो. So श्रु धातु धातु संख्या 29 पेज नंबर 98 अष्टनवतिः. श्रु धातु I read, but later on when you have time go through it. लट लकार शृणोति शृणुतः शृण्वन्ति शृणोषि शृणुतः शृणुथा शृणोमि शृणुवः शृणुमः. लोट लकार शृणोति शृणुतां शृण्वन्तु शृणु तच्छृणु. भगवान says many times शृणु शृणुतं शृणुत शृणवानि शृणवाव शृणवाम. and लंग लकार अशृणोत् अशृणुताम् अशृण्वन् अशृणोः अशृणुतम् अशृणुत अशृणवम् अशृणुव अशृणुम. So for example, I want to say he is listening. I will say saha shrinoti, that lakara. Or Bhagavan tells Arjuna tat shrunu, this is lot lakara, shrinu, lot lakara madhyama purusha ekavachana. Or I will say I will listen. Aham, I have listened, because will is tomorrow. I have listened, lang lakara. I can say aham ashrinvan, ashrinavam. Athava I can also say aham shrinomisma. So if I say, I have now a question for everyone, anybody can answer. Aham ashrinavam, if I say, which sandhi will apply? Aham ashrinavam, if I want to say.
Which sandhi will apply?
Firstly, what will it become? Aham ashrinavam will become? Aham, okay, I will say this. Aham ashrinavam will become one word. Aham ashrinavam.
Yes.
Now, which sandhi is this? A plus a is akaha savarane dirghaha. This is aham. Im. Not a. It is im. Aham ashrinavam.
Onuswara?
Correct. Bahu samyak. Mo anuswaraha. Exactly. Aham ashrinavam is mo anuswara sandhi. Why? Because that im plus a has come together. If ashrinavam is shrinoti, it will stay separately. Aham shrinoti, shrinomi, whatever. But since it is ashrinavam, they have come together and become mo anuswara sandhi. Bahu samyak.
But okay. So you have the bindu also on the top, right, when you write it. Because mo anuswara,
when you combine it, there is no bindu. There is just one word. Ha ma shrunu vam. That's one word.
Okay.
They are given examples, right? In mo anuswara, there are examples of such shabdas. For example, mo anuswara. Karyam. See, griham agachat. It is the same. Aham ashrinomi, ashrinovam is the same as griham agachat. Griham agachat. Mo anuswara. Okay, bahut samyak. Agre. Niyama 67. Saptashashti, Niyama 67. Today's pratyaya. So we have already seen Ikta pratyaya and we have seen Iktavatu pratyaya. Today we see Shatru pratyaya. Ikta pratyaya Patitaha. Iktavatu pratyaya Patitavan. Like that. And today Shatru pratyaya. Shatru pratyaya, I will read the Hindi. It will be a little confusing, but examples will make it clear. रहा है, रहा था आदि रहा वाले प्रयोगों को का अनुवाद संस्कृत में शत्रु प्रत्यय अथ प्रत्यय लगाकर होता है. सो रहा है लट लकार, रहा था लंग लकार. परस्मैपदी धातु में लट के स्थान पर शत्रु होता है. शत्रु का अथ शेष बचता है. सो एग्जाम्पल विल कम लेटर. विल सी द हिंदी हाउएवर कंफ्यूजिंग इट इज. शत्रु प्रत्यय लगाकर रूप बनाने का सरल उपाय यह है कि धातु के लट के प्रथम पुरुष बहुवचन के रूप में से अंतिम ई और बीच के इन को हटा दे. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल पठंती, अंतिम इन अंतिम ई बीच में इन, both will go. So patats. Patanti, e goes, so it will become patant. In also goes, so patat. So Shatra Pratyaya, patanti will become patat. Gachanti, gachat. Pibanti, pibat, etc. इस प्रकार शत्रु वाला रूप बचता है. शत्रु प्रत्ययांत के रूप पुल्लिंग में गच्छत शब्द, गच्छत, गच्छन्तौ, गच्छन्तः, that शब्द. एंड स्त्रीलिंग में नदी, नदी, नद्यो, नद्यः शब्द. एंड नपुंसकलिंग शब्द जगत, जगत, जगति, जगन्ति. लाइक दैट. They again example. Shatra ke roop. So pat dhatu will be pathanti, like te pathanti, but then antim e, final e and beech mein in, both will go away. So pathanti became patat. In and e are both taken out. Hat there. Then lik became first te likhanti and then it became likhat. Is prakar kri kurvat, gam gachat, has hasat, pach pachat, दृश पश्यत, स्तात इष्टत, पापिबत, चाजिगृत etc. आदि. शस्त्र प्रत्यांत में के बाद में अर्थ के अनुसार अस धातु के लट या लंग का प्रयोग करो. जैसे वह पढ़ रहा है विल बिकम सह पठन अस्ति. दैट पर्सन इज स्टडीइंग. सह पठन अस्ति, ही इज स्टडीइंग. इफ इट वर ही वाज स्टडीइंग इट विल बी सह पठन आस. राइट. आसीत रादर. आसीत. सह पठन आसीत.
But what happened to patat?
गच्छत शब्द you have to follow for pullinga. गच्छत शब्द प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचन is गच्छन. गच्छन, गच्छन्तौ, गच्छन्तः. So patat, if patat is used with pullinga, it will become patan. If it were used with strilinga, it will become patati, like nadi. And if it is used with navumsalinga, it will become like jagat, patat. Okay. So we'll just see Sanskrit to Hindi and then some examples and close. वह पढ़ रहा है, हरि जी भगवान वदतु. वह पढ़ रहा है, सहसा पठन अस्ति is given. वे दो पढ़ रहे हैं, तौ पठन्तौ स्तः. Those two are studying. ते पठन्तः सन्ति. In Hindi or English, हरि जी भगवान वदतु. हाँ हरि जी भगवान.
Two of them were studying.
That
two
is-
of them are studying.
That is Vedo. Tau patantau staha. That is two of them are studying. Te patantaha santi.
They parandas and this is plural.
हाँ.
They were studying.
They are. Santi.
They are studying. They are studying. Sandhi.
Bhavaneva vadatu. Hariji Bhavaneva. Tvam patan asi. This will be.
So tvam is that is in Madhyama Purusha. Tvam, you, patan, you, asi. You are studying.
Samyak. Yuyam patantaha staha. Stha. Yuyam.
Is they. No, you. All of you are studying.
Samyak. Bahu samyak. And Bhavaneva Hariji. Aham patan asmi.
Aham is I. Aham. Patan. I am studying.
I am studying. Vayam patantaha smaha. Bhavaneva Hariji. Vayam patantaha.
Aham. We are studying.
We are studying. See, it is so simple. Tvam patanasi, you are studying. Yuyam, you all. Aham, I. vayam, we. Everything is simple. That patat shabda is just following gachan shabda. Gachan, gachanto, gachantah. That same rupa it is going to follow. Patan, patanto,
This
patanto.
patan will no longer be a kriya for the right. It became a sanya, right? With all the 7 vibhaktis, or
Yes.
is a kriya?
No, it will become like a sanya. That is, this is the pratyaya, right? The pratyaya rupa has made the vibhaktis possible. The pratyaya. So for example,
it will have all the vibhaktis accordingly.
yes. If necessary, generally when there is pratyaya, it is used only with subject. Generally speaking, usually when we see this shadra pratyaya etc., they use with prathama vibhakti. But you are correct. If there is tritiya, later on there is a tritiya example. Tritiya vibhakti will follow gachan shabda tritiya. Patan will become like that.
Okay, thank you.
I will try.
Wait, I'll ask Sundarji first, then I ask you. Huh?
Okay.
Sundarji, sa pathanti asti.
So, वह पढ़ रही है.
हाँ, सा पठति अस्ति सम्यक्. स पठन आसीत्. हाँ, your question has come. स पठन आसीत्.
वो पढ़ रहा था.
हाँ, पढ़ रहा था. स पठन भविष्यति.
So, वह पढ़ेगा.
पढ़ेगा, सम्यक्. संध्या जी भवती वदतु. Difficult for you, huh? But you can do. पठन्तं शिष्यं पश्य.
पढ़ रहे शिष्य को देखो.
हाँ, see, बहु सम्यक्. Then पठते. See, Hariji, your question has come. Pathantam is dvitiya ekavachana. Pathate is tritiya ekavachana. Chaturthi ekavachana. Pathate shishyaya dugdam dehi. Sandhya ji bhavati vatu. Pathate shishyaya dugdam dehi. Kim bhavati?
पढ़ रहे शिष्य को दूध दीजिए.
Bahu samyak. Dehi dijiye. Then sa hasan. This no need. Next one, Sandhya ji bhavatu bhavan. Payaha piba.
पानी पियो.
पानी पियो. पिबा किम लकार अस्ति? कस्मिन् लकारे अस्ति पिबा?
इंस्ट्रक्शन लट लकार.
Instruction is correct. Which lakara?
लोट लकार.
Lot lakara. Samyak. Bahu samyak.
लोट. Yeah.
हाँ. Okay. So others are simple only. See, yashamsi ichha is like what you said. Yashamsi ichha, wish for fame. So, then earlier we saw sa hasan asti, he is laughing. Sa bhojanam pachan asti, is cooking food. Balikam pashan asti, looking at the daughter, whatever. Same. It is the same rupa. Asti, so it is present tense, lat lakara. And sa vachanam shrunoti, listening to the words. Shrunotu, lot lakara. Ashrunot, lang lakara. Same way, sa dhanam apnoti, apnoto, apnot. Lat, lot, lang. Okay. Sanskrit banao we will do only one and then we'll go. Hari ji bhavan vatu va lik raha hai. What will you do in Sanskrit? Va lik raha hai. Hari ji vatu bhavan va lik raha hai.
Saha likhan asit.
Raha hai. Lat lakara.
Asti?
Yes, samyak. Asti. Sa likhan asti. Sandhya ji bhavati vatu that kha, first one in kha, jal piyo. What will you do in Sanskrit? Sandhya ji bhavati vatu jal piyo.
पय पिबा.
Paya piba. Samyak. Sundar ji vatu bhavan वह मेरा भाषण सुनता है.
So, saha. So here should we use the word madhiya?
Correct. हाँ, मदिया.
So, saha madhiya.
हाँ.
Bhashanam.
हाँ.
Bhashanam shrunoti.
Shrunoti, samyak. Bhashanam shrunoti. So why we have skipped past the others? Because they are very similar. Vaha lik raha is saha likhan asti. Tu kaam kar raha hai. Tvam kurva. This will become kurvan asi. Tvam kurvan asi. This will be tum kaam kar raha hai. Or tvam karma kurvan asi, etc. So everything will just follow the Purusha, and which we already know. Purusha and Vachana. Okay. Ashuddha to Shuddha. Vayam pushpam jigransanti has become Vayam pushpani jigrantaha smaha. Because Vayam has to go with smaha. If not, if we want to keep santi, what will be the correction? Vayam pushpam jigran santi. This is wrong. And they have made it Vayam pushpani jigrantaha smaha. So if you want to keep santi only, dash pushpani jigrantaha, dash pushpani jigran whatever, dash santi. What will it be? Te is correct. Te pushpam dash santi. They what?
Jigraha santi.
Why jigraha? See, santi with smaha jigrantaha. So with santi, patati patataha, patati patataha, patanti. So same way it will be jigranti. Te pushpani jigranti santi. They are smelling the flowers. Karyam kurvan naram yasham bhavati. So this they have changed to karyam kurvataha. Kurvataha shatru pratyaya. Kurvataha narasya yashaha bhavati. Nara gets karyam kurvataha narasya. The man who is doing work. Dhanam bhavati. Yashaha bhavati. Gets fame. Okay. Ga ko bahuvachan में बदलो एक we will see and then close. Ga को bahuvachan Hariji bhavan vatu pratamaha. Ga 26 षड्विंशतिः तू दूसरे का वचन सुनता है. You are listening to other people's words. In bahuvachan है किम भवति हरिजी भवतु भवान भवतु. बहुवचने
तुम यूयम
हाँ यूयम
दूसरे पराय
परकीय हाँ
परस्य
परकीयः
परकीय
they are given ना स्वकीयः परकीय हाँ परकीयः
वचन is
वचनम
वचन is वचन only, right?
हाँ वचनम. It is नपुंसकलिंग शब्द है. So
वचनम सुनता है is श्रुणोति.
श्रुणोति is सहा.
तुम is श्रुणोता.
श्रुणोषि. Shunoti, Shruta, Shunati, Shunoshi. You are doing. Yes. You are listening. So here, because Vachanam is Napumsakalinga, it will be Parakiyam.
Parakiyam, okay.
Tvam Parakiyam Vachanam, not be Parakiyaha Vachanam. Parakiyam Vachanam.
Parakiyam Vachanam.
Shunoshi. Bhavu Samyak Hariji.
Shunoshi or Shruta, because we are going to Yuyam.
No. अच्छा यूयम हाँ 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 शृणुथा सम्यक्. तो यूयम त्वं परकीयं वचनं शृणोषि. यूयम परकीयं वचनं शृणुथ. सम्यक्. I think that's what you said, Hariji. If that is correct, what you said is correct. शृणुथा. सम्यक्. बहु सम्यक्. सुंदर जी भवान वदतु. This next one. मैं तेरा वचन सुनता हूँ.
So vayam त्वदीय. So vayam त्वदीय वचनम shunami.
Tvadi again.
Your vachanam, I am listening. So aham tvadiya vachanam. Tvadiyam vachanam. And then it should be shunomi.
Shunomi samyak. But bahuvachane ichhamaha na.
So therefore vayam.
Tvadiyam vachanam.
Vayam tvadiyam vachanam. Then it should be shunumaha.
Shunuvamaha, right? Shunomi. Shunoti, shunvanti, shunoshi, shunutaha, shunuta, shunomi, shunvaha, shunmaha. Shunmaha. Samyak. हाँ संध्या जी भवती वदतु. Little difficult. We'll do 30. मैं सुनूं. अहम. I should not say. मैं सुनूं. Which lakara is this? You have to find out and make bahuvachana.
मैं सुनूं. Present, right? Lakara?
I should listen. I am giving agnya to myself. instruction to myself.
Okay. Softer instruction.
No, harder only. Because today lot only is there. No? So we'll use lot. Within tomorrow.
Lot lakara. So, मैं सुनूं. Suno. 1 second, I will say.
Shrunu dhatu is in page 98.
शृणोतु.
शृणोतु नहीं. शृणोतु सः. सः शृणोतु. अहं शृणोतु लोट लकार प्रथम पुरुष ना. We want उत्तम पुरुष.
Okay, aham shrunavani.
Shrunavani, samyak. Aham shrunavani. So in bahuvachana, what will it be? Bahuvachana ki?
Aham shrunavav.
Vayam shrunavama. Samyak. Shrunavama. And this is important. We have to know. It is not shru. It is shru. Shrunuvama. Shrunoti. Not shru. Everyone, it is even for me, because I also made mistake when I was reading. It is very difficult. It is shru.
So when you write in English, would this be SRNU, like shrunu?
SHRNU or whatever.
SHRNU,
like that. Not SHRU.
SHRU, no.
Shrunu. Yeah. But why write in English? Write in Sanskrit. Okay. So we have finished everything. We finished 2 sandhis, pratyaya and adhyasa shabdani. इसको भी प्रश्न अस्ति वा? ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः. शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः. ओम.